Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning back into my video or my channel. So let's begin with today's video with some awesome reviews from this brand called Bella Estes. Now this is a beautiful, gorgeous package. Now if you want to know what is in this and what our first impressions for this, do keep on watching. So number one, this is a bomb packaging, you guys. I mean, I would have loved to receive this as a Diwali gift even if somebody has given me. But these are some awesome hair care products and basically overall self-care products in here, and the packaging is so good, you guys. I love it. Look at this holographic thing that you can see on the packets. It's so beautiful. So let's begin opening this and see what is all in this. So this kit is basically for someone who is suffering from extreme or severe hair loss. Although I am not suffering from severe hair loss, I do have a lot of hair fall. So I would want to try this. So there are certain spots on my head where I see less hair or broken hair. So that's the reason I bought this one. So the first product that I'm going to talk about is this Bella Estes hair oil. Now this is the packaging. I love this packaging, you guys. I love anything holographic, anything shiny, glittery, glimmery. Ooh, it's pure love. So it says that it's a unique blend of 8 products. Yes, so this is the hair oil that I'm talking about. This is how it comes. It comes with a nice pump for easy squeezing out the oil. Now this one is enriched with tocotrienol, and it has cold pressed coconut oil and also fermented or argan oil and a lot of other good things. So this basically helps you prevent the hair loss. So all you have to so it also comes along with a leaflet. All of these products come along with their leaflets that tells you more about the product as to what is in it, how is it made, and how do you have to use it. So the brand philosophy is very simple. They just say that every hair is important, so you cannot lose your hair and then just protect them. I mean, this is something which is so precious. I mean, I feel so recharged when my hair is looking good on a good hair day. So I am excited to be using this. Ooh, this is nice and thick. It's nice, greasy, thick. I mean, not greasy in a bad way, but as you can see, it is nice and thick. Wow, it smells Ayurvedic. It has that typical Ayurvedic and a natural cold press oil like fragrance. So this is the oil right here. I'm gonna link every product down in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. So the second product is right here. It is this shampoo. The packaging, oh my god, I really like these packagings. Pretty. These are a very good set to gift as well because they are packaged so well. So let's move on to this shampoo right here. So this is the shampoo. Now this is enriched with Procapil. It helps to strengthen the hair from the root, also helps to make your hair nice and thick and increase the density of your hair. The texture is really nice. I mean, all you need is a little bit of it to shampoo your hair. It has a fruity smell into it, so that's really nice. I really like this. The next product that I have is my most favorite of the range. It is nothing but this hair serum. It is again enriched with Procapil, and this serum makes your hair look so shiny. I'm gonna use it right away. So it comes with a nice little dropper here, and all you need to do is take a few drops in your hand like so. Let's take a few drops. It's nice and watery, so it would not turn your hair greasy or anything, but all you need to do is apply it on the shafts of your hair, and as you can see, it adds on the instant shine. So I really love this product. It smells beautifully. It leaves your hair smelling beautifully, and again it protects your hair from falling. So this whole kit is ultimately a severe hair loss kit for someone who's suffering from a severe hair loss. So you can definitely try it out, and I love it so far. So if you have severe hair fall and if you're trying looking out for a hair care solution that can help you out with that, you can definitely check this out. Along with all of this, they have sent out these effervescent tablets, which are basically these vitamin and mineral enriched tablets that you just put in water, let it let the bubbles pass on, and then just drink it up. So you have to drink one tablet every single day. Honestly, I haven't started this yet, but I'm definitely looking forward to do that. So that's again a very nice little touch to also let your hair regrow or enhance the health of your hair from within. So that's one nice thing that they've added in the kit. So this kind of adds on to all your vitamins that you need and all the shortfall of or the deficiency of vitamins and minerals that we usually tend to have with our diet and with the hectic schedules that we have. So yes, it's a good one. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Would you subscribe to my channel?
Yes.
Are you not subscribed yet?
No.
Oh my god, that's not right, Gabushi. You should subscribe to my channel, and you should subscribe to my channel too. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye. Stay safe.
Bye.